Hi, my name is Tricia Trammell, and I'm the co-chair of the Radiology Administrator Certification Commission. I've been a CRA since 2011, and I took this certification because, to be honest, I wanted to challenge myself. I just wanted to see if I could do it. And I want to challenge you right now. If you've been thinking about becoming a CRA, just do it. Just go for it. I know you can do it. And if you'd like to learn more about becoming a CRA or how this amazing certification can impact your career, we're going to be in Vegas this year for the annual conference. And we're going to have a discussion panel where we're going to talk about this amazing credential and all the benefits of having this credential. So visit us this year at the annual conference at our booth or come and listen to this amazing discussion panel. I hope to see you soon. And if you've been thinking about that CRA credential, just go for it. You can do it.